Hey guys, and welcome back to another YouTube video. And for this special video, I'm going to be showing you guys my illustrious get ready with me, so facial routine. I've made a few changes of what's the new brand. And yeah, I'm going to firstly show you hair routine, nighttime routine, face routine, and bed routine. So yeah, like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoy this video. To kickstart my nighttime routine, I'll just be tying my hair up into a bun. Hair done by Doses of Hair UK. I'll leave the little mini video of our tutorial right here. So the first thing I'm also going to be doing is to take out all of the jewelry that I have on, watch, earrings, the whole shabam, and just place it onto the side. I don't know why, it just feels uncomfortable when I wash my face with that stuff on. Then we're going to be using CeraVe's hydrating cleanser. I do like to wash my face first before I apply anything, just with cold water. Then I'll be applying at least 3 to 4 pumps of the hydrating cleanser into my hands, and then just applying it all over my face, just covering all the areas. Always feels weird recording it. I'm just so used to doing it freely without recording them. So just know I'm just gonna be skipping parts. Then I wash my face off with hot water. Then I'll just be using a towel just to dry off my face. Not too sure if this is true, but apparently it does open up your pores, but I'm not too sure if that's scientifically proven. Then I'll be using my supergel moisturiser by Face Theory. So this is oil-free. I'm gonna apply literally like a small pea size into my hands, apply it to all sections of my face, and then gently massage in just to cover all of the areas. This gives a great proportion of where to apply so you don't do too much. Then I'm gonna be using my Beard shampoo. So it's gonna be a bit difficult to explain this, but even though this is an oil-free moisturizer, what I do like to do is I like to still wash off my beard by using Noir's beard shampoo, because I don't want to have any of the cream stuff or the moisturizer conflicting with the beard stuff. So yeah, dry off the beard, and then now I'm gonna be applying Noir's beard oil. A few pumps of this, warm into my hands and applying to all sections of my beard, just by gently massaging it in. And I will be now using the Noir's beard balm. So this is a 3-step process, and just gonna finish off by using the balm. There is no correct way to do it. You can use the balm first, then the oil, or the oil, then the balm. Same procedure, just massaging it in to my beard. And then lastly, I will be using my brush just to brush down, courtesy of Denman brush. This is a Jack Dean Military Club brush. Then I'll also be using the Denman pocket comb just to further brush through with my beard, just to make it more elongated and getting through any knots that may be in there. And I also like to brush the eyebrows a little bit as well. Now time for my hair routine. I'm going to be using Asiam's Rosemary water spray. So I had the courtesy of working with Asiam. I'm going to put a little link probably below this video if you want to see all of the routines with them. I'm going to be spritzing into my hair just to hydrate my hair. I'm going to be taking down the braids just so that I can make sure to sprit the ends as well. So this is just purely for a nighttime routine. Normally I just leave my hair alone, but for this video I just wanted to top it up a little bit. And yeah, we're done with doing my face, hair and body routine. So now I'm going to just tie up my hair once again so that I can continue to the next step. And obviously now I'm going to be brushing my teeth. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten. And I'm going to be using an electric toothbrush. This is a new pickup for me, alongside with Oral-B's toothpaste, and just brushing my teeth just before I go to bed. I do find it a lot more easier to use electric toothbrush. I am a hard brusher, and I normally just go through toothbrushes probably every other week. So this has lasted a lot longer and it's a lot safer than using a lip balm, courtesy of a Mary Navarre, which is their peppermint organic lip balm. Probably wondering what I'm doing here, but I'm going to be applying back the rubber band back on my hair, which dropped off. And yeah, we're done. Yeah, it's time for bed, so I'm gonna be either using a bonnet or a do-rag, probably both. Guys, comment below what you guys use at night time to protect your hair. Are you guys using a silk bonnet? Or are you guys using a do-rag? Do you have a silk pillowcase, head wrap, turban? What are you guys using before you guys go to sleep? Like, comment, and subscribe for future YouTube videos. So yeah, that's the end of my illustrious wash day. Wow, I can't even speak. So I'm debating if I should make this a voiceover or live and talk at the same time. Let's see what the audio is like.